Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend. And obviously, I had to make a video on Ordinals. I'm not even sure where to start, but we'll talk about everything. We'll talk about the fundamentals. We'll talk about the technicals right now. Ordinals but overnight got a big bullish breakout. So what's next? Can it reach $40? That huge resistance level up here. Spoiler alert, yes, but yeah, we'll talk about everything you need to know. All right, so let's get right into it. Ordinals right now. I've covered this a lot before. All right, I covered this. I think the first time I covered it was when this initial rally happened. It has been super bullish ever since. And to be fair, I mean, right now, obviously, Ordinals has a close connection to Bitcoin. So therefore, it's probably more bullish. That's also one of the reasons why, for example, Stacks is quite bullish, which we took a trade on, by the way. But yeah, so obviously that's one of the reasons. But apart from that, I mean, a move Ordinals right now since the beginning of November. So in the last month, it has gone up 550%. Now the markets are bullish, and we can think of reasons why Ordinals would be this bullish. But obviously, there's also some sort of manipulation going on, right? So you can also see that a lot of the volume right now is coming from SuperX, from some Turkish volume sources, which usually, if that's the case, there's manipulation going on. Doesn't matter. Ordinals is still bullish, and there are good reasons for this as well, but it is something you should know, all right? So now that we know that, we can look at this, and what you'll see is that the momentum is still increasing. The open interest and the volume are increasing. We had a bit of a drop overnight, but this is, I mean, there's right now, fundamentally and technically, there really isn't anything bearish about Ordinals. There just isn't, all right? Now, obviously, due to the nature of this move, and also technically, I mean, technically it's super strong. Like, it got a huge bullish breakout above 27.5 out of this triangle earlier last week. The thing, though, is that the nature of the move is quite risky. All right, so if you look at where the volume is coming from, there are some traders and some parties behind this move who will make it crash at some point of time. And who's going to lose money? Retail. All right, so be careful. All right, be careful if you're a normal trader, not like me, because it is going to be risky. At some point of time, it's going to crash, and you will not be able to predict that. Not quickly, at least. But all right, like I said, right now, if you look at the volume, open interest is still increasing. Ordinals just broke above the 1.618 fib here at 31.5. So I see no reason. Like, it has found a little bit of resistance here at $35, but the big level is at 40. So I see no reason why it would not rally up higher to $40. And then from there, we'll see again. I mean, after that, we have to start talking about $48, $50. It's too early right now to talk about that, but in the longer term, that's certainly a possibility. But for now, that's what I expect. More continuation. But please be careful, all right? Because if all of a sudden you see Ordinals rapidly dropping down, Bitcoin dropping towards 38,000, etc., then it's just risky. And at some point of time, if Ordinals gets a major bearish breakout, it's going to crash by multiple tens of percentages. So be prepared for that. As long as you're prepared for that, as long as your risk management allows you to still trade it, go ahead. It still looks strong, all right? So those are my thoughts. Now, if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. And down in the pinned comment in the description, you'll find links to my premium and signal group, where, for example, I also posted to buy STX. Great trades sometimes. So if you're interested in that, check it out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.